Good morning. Good morning, my people. Good morning. It's 7 a.m.
7 o'clock in the dot.
I'm in my drop top. It's 7 o'clock on the dot. Yo.
Yes.
It's 7 o'clock.
Yeah, 7 o'clock. Wow.
The song. You started singing.
Yeah, you know you dropped up.
Cruising the streets.
I know.
Good, babe.
I got a.
Real pretty little.
That's waiting for me.
I pull up.
Anticipated.
Good Lord.
Don't keep me ready.
I got plans to put my hands in places.
Hold on, the pause. Which place is that?
What do you mean, which places? Where do you think he wanted?
Certain place I can't put your hand on the basket.
But Usher said he got plans to put his hands in places that y'all never seen.
Well, that's how Usher. You want to know which fire and my blood clot.
I got plans to put my hand. Prostate.
Yeah. The way that I can't pick a word about prostate. Yeah,
My husband don't play that. I didn't write the song. Usher wrote the song.
Yes, the big Usher go and put your money.
He said I got plans to put my hands in places y'all never seen. Who you think never seen a vagina? Who you think? That must be where he talking about, unless he found another You think that's where he was gonna put his hands?
Yeah, if you want to put your hand in that place, you never see.
I guess when you think about it, yeah, I ain't never seen nobody body hole up close. Besides my children cleaning their ass. You are retarded, Greg. It's too early. Oh, Father God. Thank you for waking us up in our right state of minds. Greg, what? How much? I paid you a couple of hours ago.
Me don't want that.
Most men would take that.
Men are most men. Me, I want one.
What you want, cash?
Definitely.
Oh, I can't help you out there. How much you want? Let me go talk to my munyan and see what they say.
Picture him say something good.
My husband said nothing in life is free. So we are heading out right now. Let me just show y'all a quick fit. Yes. So yeah, we're heading out now. We are going grocery shopping. And yeah, I love y'all. I'll see you on the road. Let's go. Trader. Because you say tasty patty. Hi. Yeah. Get some juicy patty. I'm not getting nothing else. Because then we're heading straight over to the grocery store. Yeah. Okay. So we're just in an area where everything, they sell everything. Everything you could possibly want and need is here. Look at Greg getting credit for his phone. Stop complaining. All she do is complain. That's why we're not gonna bring you back, because all you do is complain. Come on, let's go. We're in the supermarket. What's that, babe? Irish moss. You like this?
It's like candy juice thing.
Yeah, it's strawberry. Strawberry is like strawberry milk?
Yeah, like strawberry.
Oh, okay. Okay. Then she'll like it?
I'm drinking.
Okay. Let's see here. You want a cereal, Poo-Poo? You want a cereal? This is Frosted Flakes. You want this one too? No? Sorry. I'm sorry. You want this one too? No? Just the Frosted Flakes? Okay. Yeah, let's go down this way. Yeah. Greg, if you find like a condensed milk, get a condensed milk. Look, Poo-Poo, they got mac and cheese. No, better you get the box. And I don't even know if you would like that one.
I did eat it. I ate it before.
Okay.
Where's the dino chicken nugget?
Wait, then watch it, watch it, watch it.
Man, cookie there. What you say? I got 60.
Yeah. Oh. Is this it?
Yeah, that's it.
Spicy. I was looking at me funny recording. I just put my camera down. I told you everybody don't want to be on camera, so I gotta be cautious. Don't you have that in the house? You didn't eat it? You didn't eat? You ate one?
Don't call this phone to harass me. Your breakfast and enjoy it, and I'll see you in a few days. Be trying to prepare this food for y'all when y'all return back. I don't even know why we need to even be cooking anything, because y'all done ate well.
Doesn't matter.
But then, so what y'all doing up there for Christmas?
Say hi to the vlog, Mom.
No. What are y'all gonna do for Christmas?
You said no.
That's busting.
We're gonna take that. Agua.
Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Oh my God, I miss water.
She can have that water. She can have that water. That look like backlash and everything, but she can have that.
Ooh, that baby thirsty, you see?
Get your mother another water. You can have that.
Yeah, hydrate. Juice don't hydrate you. It make you more thirsty. Excuse me.
You look a slight bit tan. Slight. Very little, very little, very little. You should be coming back here black. Like you're running from the sun out there. What the hell is so funny?
Royalty. Wow. I don't know. Tasty Patty might have some competition. I mean, Juicy Patty. Yeah, Tasty Patty. I said it right.
Can have competition?
Because Juicy Patty is hitting. It's hitting. That was so good. That was so good.
Pork. Pork.
That's not pork.
What?
Yeah, that was so good.
Yes, sir.
Rick not gonna get another haircut while you in Jamaica. I'm watching somebody get a haircut right now. Want me to tell you where he at? He look like
She
he doing
just
a good
all
job.
up in my man things. Those are not even clean for you to be putting your meat on top of there.
Pause.
They really spray it. They really spray it.
I don't know why they doing that. That little boy got a natural hairline. And when it rain, that's why it be coming down their face.
So now that's the new thing?
That ain't new. That's not new. That's old. All the men get their hairline spray tanned. I don't know why. Maybe they going bald. No.
He gonna lose his whole hairline in the rain.
No.
He already had a natural hairline. He look like that too.
Cute little
It's
boy.
someplace to act for.
All right, mommy, I'll call you back. Oh, that was so good. That was so good, right?
I'm more.
Juicy Patty, we gotta sweep because y'all know me already with the damn. I'm waiting for Royalty to finish so I can sweep up because they probably already they probably already smell the food, the damn ants. Yeah. So we probably go to Sabby house later.
In the evening.
I'm gonna call her. Yeah, we just chilling, y'all. We went and got our groceries. My husband is not feeling no cooking at all. And I so wish they make some rice and peas, some like, yeah, his brown stew chicken, like cook. But I understand he don't want to do that. He's on vacation. But I'm in there like picking up stuff to cook because when I'm hungry, like, but I understand he ain't in no cooking business. So, but we got our patties. We bought a box. If you buy a dozen, they give you one free, right, Greg? If you buy a dozen, they give you one free. If you buy a dozen, yeah, if you buy a dozen juicy patty, you get one free. So yeah, and yeah, so how y'all feeling about what you call it? I'm really surprised that I'm on vacation doing my hair. I did me a little braid. It ain't perfect, but
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah, it don't have to be perfect. It's a little something, something. It's long too. Yeah, so we did that. Got the phone situated. Got juicy patty. Got some groceries. Yeah. So I don't know what we're gonna do later, but I'm taking y'all with me. So stay tuned. Why are you screaming? Now let me sweep up for these ants start coming around.